Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. For that, you need to launch your Bybit app. Then you need to tap on the More Services option in the top. After that, you will be landed on the services page where you just have to tap on the Trade tab, and here you will be able to see the sixth option of Convert. Now once you are on the conversion page, you need to first select your correct account. So first you need to tap on this drop down button, and here you need to select that particular account in which you have your USD. Let's say I have my USD in my funding account, so you just have to simply select it. After that, tap on the From tab and in the search bar search for USD. Then in the To section, you need to make sure that USDT is selected. Then you need to enter the amount of USD that you want to convert into USDT, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. Now tap on the Convert option in the bottom, and you will have 10 seconds in order to complete your conversion. Once your conversion is completed, you will be able to easily convert your USD into USDT on Bybit. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.